What's up guys, Jason Wardrop here. In today's quick Facebook ads tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get more likes on your Facebook page with Facebook ads. Right now, just to show you guys the strategy really quick. I use this strategy, so you can see right here on my Facebook page I've got about 29,000 likes, 30,000 follows. That's probably like 29 point something. That's why that's 30,000 right there. But I use this exact strategy to go through and grow to my first 10,000 followers without paying any more for likes and all that stuff on my page, right? So if you go into Ads Manager, obviously you can go through and you can set up a campaign for page likes. Okay, where is it? Right here. I think it's the engagement right here, and then you go page likes. And the thing is what I found with this is you can, like, the likes are pretty expensive. Okay, so what I typically do is I'll go through and really quick, guys, I've just remembered, I totally forgot. If you guys want one of my Facebook ads mini courses, go ahead and comment Facebook ads down below, and I will make sure that we send that on over to you guys. Right, so we'll give you a quick run through of all Facebook ads, the Facebook pixel, lead forms, all that stuff. So comment down below Facebook ads, and we'll make sure you guys get that Facebook ads mini course. Right, so anyway, back to this whole concept of going through and getting more likes without having to go through and run one of these likes campaign. What I found is when you do this, it's pretty expensive. Like, I was paying like 75 cents to $1 every single like. So if you're gonna get 10,000 or even not like 30,000 likes like I've got, you're gonna spend $30,000 on Facebook ads. And really, likes, a big following right now, it doesn't really do too much. Okay, because what Facebook has done is anytime you make a post on your business page, it doesn't really get that much exposure unless you go through and you run ads and put money behind it. Right, so instead what I've done and what I did to get my first 10,000 likes 100% for free, well, it was free in the sense of, like, I was going through and running my ads for different objectives to go generate leads, and then I just invited all those people back to go through and like my Facebook page. So I'll show you guys exactly how I did it. So I'd go through and I'd set up an ad for a conversion or lead generation. Okay, and I go through and I set up the whole ad, and once again, I'm not going to show you guys this whole process, but if you guys want to see how that whole process works, comment Facebook ads down below and I'll get you guys our mini course. And then once, what would happen is I get the ad all set up, and so for example, this is one of my ads, and then I'd get all these people starting to like it, to share it, to comment. You can see all these comments down here. And so what I would do now is come in here to my likes, and I would just click on this, right? And then look at this, all these people. So we got 709 likes, 13 hearts, 6 wows, and 2 people just laugh and think it's funny or whatever, I guess. Okay, and then all I got to do is just come in here and just hit invite. Okay, I just invite all these people, and you can see, like, you know, some of them liked it, some of them are invited, some of them liked it, and not everyone's going to go through and like your Facebook page. It's going to show up. What's going to happen is going to show up as a notification up here for them saying, okay, hey, this person so-and-so, Jason Wardrop, invited you to like their Facebook page. Right now, obviously not everyone's gonna go through and like it, but it's a nice way because you're already running this ad to generate leads, and then it's kind of like it serves two purposes. You're getting leads and you're only paying for the leads. Then right here, this is just a nice free and easy way to go through and invite more people to go like your page. So you can just kind of scroll through, invite, invite, invite. Now obviously once you get to a big number like this, 730, you might want to just go through and, like, get some type of tool that will automatically invite every single person. Now I can't remember the exact name of the tool. I'll have to shoot another video for you guys, but there's a tool that actually, it's 100% free too. It'll come over here, it'll create a button right there, it'll say invite all, and I actually have that on my other computer. But let me just, if we come over here to Facebook page invite tool, maybe we'll be able to find something here. Okay, so this one's for inviting all your friends. Invite post likers to like my page on Facebook. Okay, right here. So if we come in here, this is probably, they got a little tutorial, a little video. You can say add to Chrome, and that will probably do exactly that. So if we come over here to Google, just type in Facebook page invite tool, and it looks like this one, invite post likers. So post likers would be anyone that's liked my post right here. Invite them to like my Facebook page, and then we just go through, download that, watch their little video, their little tutorial of how to get it all set up and how to get it going. And that is a really nice, easy, free way to go through and get a lot more likes on your Facebook page. And like I said, guys, that's exactly what I did to get my first 10,000 likes. And then I did a little bit of paid promotion to get to the next 20,000. And then the last like 10,000 or so, that's exactly the same thing that I've done, right? I just go through and I have all these different ads promoting different offers in my business, trying to generate leads, so get someone's name, phone, and email. and then just anyone who engages with that page, likes my post or whatever, I'll go through and I'll invite all of them. Just go through and like my page. Okay, so I've done that same thing with, even if it's not an ad, but let's say a video right here. Okay, so I've got some Facebook Live videos. So this video has 100,000 views, right? So there's a lot of people that have engaged with that one as well. And then this one right here, 2.3 thousand. If we just hit pause real quick right here, you can see 121 people. Okay, so if we come over here, and I think I've already invited all these people, but you got all these people that you can go through and invite to like your Facebook page, right? So anyway, guys, I just wanted to share that quick little tip with you all of how to get more Facebook page likes on your Facebook business page, your fan page, to go through and build that audience without having to spend any more money on going through and creating a Facebook page like campaign. All right, now if you guys found this video helpful, go ahead, give it a thumbs up. Also, as I mentioned a little bit earlier, guys, if you want my free Facebook ads mini course, go ahead and comment real estate leads down below, and I'll shoot that on over to you guys. Make sure you guys get the mini course, which will go through all of the details step by step of Facebook advertising, the Facebook Ads Manager platform, the Facebook Pixel, Facebook lead forms, all the different stuff to help you get started with your Facebook ads, right? So anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching today. And if you guys are brand new here, my name is Jason Wardrop. I launch a new video every single day, helping you generate leads, make more money, and grow your business. So if you guys want more videos like this, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you on the channel tomorrow.